Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make human in Infinite Craft with quick and easy steps. If you find it useful, like the video and subscribe the channel. Put fire on the empty space and add wind to it. This will create smoke. Add water to it and this will get you fog. Put water on the empty space and add fire to it. This will create steam. Add earth to it and this will get you mud. Put wind on the empty space and add earth to it. This will create dust. Add earth to it and this will get you planet. Combine fog and planet, this will get you Venus. Combine Venus and mud, this will get you Adam. And finally add more mud to Adam and this will get you human. There is another way to make human as well. Follow these steps. Put wind on the empty space and add earth to it. This will get you dust. Add earth to dust and this will get you planet. Put dust on the empty space and add wind to it. This will get you sandstorm. Add planet to get Mars. Add earth to it and this will get you life. Add dust to it and this will get you human. I hope this helps. If you need any Infinite Craft recipe, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.